Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
Today's video we are the delete methods. So in order to understand this concept better, we have a sample Excel. This is the Excel which has three different sheets, and we are going to concentrate on the sheet 2, which is data, where it has different column which has some empty rows and empty columns as well. And for this example I have already activity and at my Excel connector, which is delete method. So now let's double click on this, and you can see the methods from the object explorer. So we have different methods. We are going to concentrate on the delete method, so you can filter with delete. So now let's take the first method, which is delete column. And in order to use any of your Excel connector, make sure you use your open method to open your Excel, so which you can find from here. So we have this open and close method, which would be useful for any of your Excel method. So now let's go back to the delete column, and we'll drag and drop it to the design panel. And it has two input parameter, which is sheet name and your column number. So as the name suggests, you the column in the given sheet on the given column. I'm going to provide the sheet name as data. And the output of delete column is of type boolean. So based on the this type, you can make a decision whether the column has deleted successfully or not. And for now I'm not going to make use of any decision. So in case you want to use it, then you can go with this decision activity from the toolbox. So you just have to drag and drop this, where you have to provide your text. Like you can provide any text, then you can pass this input, then you can make the decision true port and your false port. And I'm not going to use this. So now I'm just going to close the Excel and we'll run the process now. So we'll use the close method at the end, and let's run the process. So I'm going to mark this activity as a startup activity. So let's click on this. Now let's run the process and see the output. So I'll click on run. Here we have an error. So let's look at the error. You can just click on this red log. Okay, the error says that Excel file is not open or close. Use the open method to open the Excel first. Okay, we have already used the open method. Okay, as you see, I have used the open method from the get method Excel connector, not from the delete method. So we have this error. So we should take the delete method and so now let's rerun the process, and first it will open the Excel, delete the column, and at the end it will close the Excel as well. So it has completed deleting the column. So now it will close the Excel. Now the Excel is closed. So let's open the Excel and look at the output. As you see, it has removed the fifth column, which has an empty column. So based on your column number, you can just delete any given column from the given sheet. So this is about the delete column method. So now let's look at the next method. So we'll type in delete. So the next, which is the delete content from range. So let's drag and drop this, where it has two input parameter. Again, you have to provide your sheet name and the cell range. So it will delete the values from the given cell. So I'm just going to provide the sheet name as data, and let's click on OK, and let's go back to the Excel and take some random cell range. So we'll try to delete the values from C10 to D13. So I'm just going with C10 and D13. So let's click on OK, and I'm going to use the same close method. So let's run the process now. Okay, as you see, it has deleted the given range from the data sheet. So in this way, you can delete any unwanted range from your Excel. And you can also like pass your range from different methods as well, where you can just filter with range, and you have different range. Like you can select get use range or get selected range. Then you can pass that range output to this input. So in that way, you can delete any selected range from the given sheet. Empty column. So let's drag and drop this. So where we have only the sheet name as the input parameter. So let's provide the sheet name, which is data. As the name suggests, it will remove any empty columns in the given sheet. So I'm going to pass this here, and let's close this. So now let's run the process and let's see. And currently we have one empty columns in the given Excel, right? So let's see what it is doing. I'm just going to click on run. So it has complete. And as you see, earlier we had in the E, right, in the fifth index, right? So it has removed the empty, drag and drop this, which will delete the rows from the given sheet. So I'm just going to give data. Currently we have two empty rows in the Excel. So let's see the output, and I'm going to just pass this over here, and I'm going to run this. So this is completed. Let's open the Excel, and it has removed the two empty rows from the given sheet. And the next method, which is delete row, so this is same as delete column. Instead of your column name, you have to provide your row number. So I'll just quickly provide some random row number, which is 3, and then we'll connect this. I'll close Excel and we'll run the process again. So this is completed. Employee ID 2 got deleted, which was in the index number 3. So this is how you can make use of that method. Next method, which is delete worksheet. So we'll take this method, and again, as the name suggests, it is used to delete any given worksheet from the given Excel. For example, try to delete the entire sheet, which is sheet 1. So I'm going to give the sheet name 1. Pass this. Let's pass this. So we'll run the process. All the delete methods from an Excel connector, the rest of the Excel methods. So I hope you guys find this video useful, and thank you so much for watching.